Good morning student. In the last class we have started a new chapter understanding quadrilateral and some part we have finished. In continuation with that one we will do the next topic, convex and the concave polygon. What is called convex and the concave polygon? Convex and the concave polygon we are going to see. What is convex polygon? All the sides of the polygon is closed. It's finished. No incomplete line should be there. So this is convex. See here it is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides are there. It is closed. 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 So that is called convex polygon. Another one is see concave polygon. One side you see it will be going inside that one. Okay, one side you see, other three sides will be regular. One side will be in a V shape, which is going inside like a cave. That's why it is called concave polygon. Polygon it is a number of sides, more number of sides. So it is a polygon. But here it is in a proper form. Here it is in a depression form. So cave shape is there. So we call it as a concave polygon. Then what is the next topic? Regular polygons and irregular polygon. What are regular polygon? If all the angles are equal and the sides are equal length, that is called regular polygon. You see, three triangles are there, all the three sides are equal. Angles are also equal. Square, all four sides are equal. Angles are also equal, 90-90. Pentagon, 5 sides, equal sides, angles are equal. Hexagon, 6 sides, angles are equal. So sides are also equal. So this type of polygon you are having means that is called regular polygon. An irregular polygon, what is the irregular polygon? It will be not in an equal size and equal angle. Example, this triangle, you see, one is 90 degree, another is less than 90 degree, one is length, one is short, different sizes are there. In rectangle also you see opposite sides are parallel, but angles are 90 degree, but opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal, all the sides are not equal. And here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentagon is there, but bottom two angles are 90 and the new top angles are different. And here also hexagon you see parallel, these opposite sides are parallel and lengthy. Opposite sides are, these two sides are equal. So different angle and different sides are there. That is irregular polygon. Here all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. That is called regular polygon. Then angle. Some of the angle property in the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what? Quadra means 4. So 4 sides. So when you draw a diagonal for one side, A to C I have drawn in the quadrilateral ABC. So it divided into two triangles, no? In the triangle you know angle D, angle DAC, angle CBCA. These three angles in a triangle we know it is 180 degree. Same thing other triangle A, CB, ABC and BCA. This triangle equal to 180 degree. So two triangle addition will form a quadrilateral. So this angle plus of this angle I am adding and grouping. See I am getting here AB, BAC plus BAC, BAC plus BAC is nothing but angle DAB. That only I have done. Clear? And here BCA and BCA. DCA and BCA, this angle is total angle DCB, that one I have done DCD. So all these four angles common and you are making grouping and making it angle ABC, angle BCB, angle ABC, DAB equal to 360 degree. Why? 180 plus of 192 triangle angle. So in short what you will write? Angle A plus angle B, angle C, angle D equal to 360 degree. Okay, so any sum of 4 angle in a quadrilateral they are asking me, it is 360 degree in quadrilateral. In triangle how many angle? 3 angle, 180 degree. In quadrilateral 4 angle, that is angle equal to 360 degree. Understood? So these are the data we have done now. What is before that? What is diagonal? What are different types of polygon? And now we are taking convex and concave polygon and regular and irregular polygon and some of the property angle in the quadrilateral that we have taken. Based on that 3.1 some small problem they are given. First question you can do it as a homework. Some figures are given. You have to select which figure is a simple curve, closed curve or open curve. What are the data they are given? You have to group it. That is easy. From the figure you can write it. Second question. A convex quadrilateral. give a convex quadrilateral they are asking, and a convex quadrilateral how many diagonal will be having they are asking. So convex quadrilateral means all the shapes are improper, which is closed curve also. So A, B, C, D are on a quadrilateral, diagonal A to C, B to B. So AC is one diagonal, BD is another diagonal. So how many diagonals are there? Two diagonals are there. Similarly, second in that one. In a regular hexagon, how many diagonals are there? Hexagon means 6 sides. So 6 sides are drawn. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F and A, F. Then I am drawing the diagonal. So how many diagonals I am getting? A to E, C to F, A to D. So 3 diagonal. These are the 3 diagonal I am getting. So hexagon will be having 3 diagonal. Diagonal means it will not overlap, but it will be joining from the vertex to vertex. Okay. And third, in triangle any diagonal is there? No. There is no diagonal because 3 vertexes is there. There is no diagonal. Diagonal means vertex to vertex it should join. So no diagonals is there. 0. That is the answer. That is second question. Third question, what they are asking, in a convex quadrilateral, the sum of the 4 angle is 360 degree or not? They are asking. Yes. The sum of the 4 angle convex quadrilateral means it is a closed polygon. A, B, C, D is closed. So what we have done here, sum of the 4 angle in a closed polygon, here it is quadrilateral. So it is convex quadrilateral. It is 360 degree. Yes, that is the answer. And fourth question, what is that? According to some sample figures they are given. In that one triangle they are given. One triangle means how many angles are there? 180 degree. Suppose a picture is there, a quadrilateral is there, divided into 2. So what is the total degree here? 360 degree. That means what? 4 side minus of 2 diagonal will be give you the 360 degree. That is given in the book example. So according to that I am drawing. They are asking if there is 7 side polygon is there. What is the inside angle? So 7 side I have drawn. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Then I am joining here. So how many times I am getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by formula they are getting 7 sides minus of 2. It will be equal to into 180 degree. That is equal to 90. So how many? Here 180, here 180, here 180, here 180, here 180. 5 into 180, 900. So if it is 7 side, 7 minus 2 into 180. That is the formula. Okay. Side minus of 2, n sides minus of 2 into 180. So then B part is given. 8 side. If it is 8 side, how many triangle, how many angle will be there? What is the formula? N side minus 2 into 180. So 8 minus 2, 6. 6 into 180, 1080. 1080 degree. What is that? If we draw a 8 side polygon and you join the diagonal according to the vertexes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 you will get. So you are getting 1080 degree. Like that, C and D you continue as a homework. Take it as a homework. Up to this today we will stop and we will continue for the next problem in the next video.